Hello, everyone. Cassandra Good reporting to you from my vehicle here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, I wanted to spend a little bit of quality time with you. And I know I haven't spent quality time with you in quite some time. And I hope just not this platform of YouTube, that you've been able to find me in other areas like Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn. So I'm hoping that's where you've been able to connect with me as well, because I do grace those social media platforms as well. But today, what I want to talk to you about is commitment. Commitment. You see, I see a lot of people doing a lot of things. And I think with me seeing them doing so many things, they may think of themselves as being busy, but sometimes it's kind of like that busy, how that rat looks. You know, that rat is just running and that wheel is just turning. And in his mind, he's thinking, I'm getting somewhere, I'm getting somewhere. But no, he's not. He's busy getting nowhere. And I love the commitment, because unless that rat or that mouse is shown another way to get where he or she wants to get, they're going to run that wheel and run that wheel until no ends, because in their mind they think they're getting somewhere, and that rat is committed. The same thing about people. We get committed to certain things, but for how long? I've seen people commit a day. I've seen people commit 2 or 3 days. But you have to have commitment of a lifetime in this industry, whether it's a different business platform or what have you. You have to have the commitment that will give you the sustainability. A lot of people say, Sandra, how have you done this for so long? Number one, I'm in this industry because I love being in this industry, and I love connecting with people. I love building relationships. I love reaching out, speaking with people, and I love sharing what actually works for me. And I also love being able to train people on how to do certain things the correct way. And so that's what I'm committed to. That's what I'm committed to, helping people do things the correct way. But what I found in that is that even though I'm connected with people, a lot of times I'm the only one that's committed. And I don't want that. I want the commitment to be both, from both ends. And so if you want something to change, if you want something to really help you elevate, if you're really sick and tired of being sick and tired and sick and tired of where you are right now, you really have to stand up and say, I'm tired, to the point where I'm making a commitment. And that is making a commitment to yourself. It's not really to that platform, but to yourself. Because when you make a commitment to yourself, you are showing everybody else that you're ready to step into a role of leadership. And when you're committed to yourself, guess what? Everything that you do has structure to it. Everything that you do, you have a permit of a foundation, a permit of a foundation, meaning you're licensing yourself to create a solid foundation. The commitment means a lot, guys. And I see a lot of people slipping on this. They'll go from one thing to the next and to the next and to the next. Now, let me be clear on something. I do absolutely agree with multiple streams of income. Why? Because it's allowing me to be 2 steps away from a 7-figure earner, which my goal is by the close of 2020. But not just that, guys. If you've never earned a dime online, you're finally figuring out, what is it that I need to do that. Most of the time, it lies in your commitment to the process. And many people don't want to commit to the process. Some find a lazy way to do things, a shortcut way of doing things, or something that's going to just give them a detour so they don't have to go through the whole process. But see, here's the thing with making that commitment. You need to go through the whole process. Because even though you're taking shortcuts, there are going to be very, very fundamental things that you'll lose out on because you're taking that shortcut. And later on down the road, it's going to bite you in the booty because you didn't take time out to be committed to that journey, step by step by step on that process, so that if something comes up, you'll know how to handle that situation. You'll know how to divert it from a negative to a positive, just like that. So please, please, you love this industry. You see the freedom that it gives many of us that have created a very self sovereign lifestyle, a very, if you want to call it, laptop lifestyle. That's fine. For me, I just love the simplicity of being able to have the freedom that I want to do when I want to do something at any given time. Yours may be different, but it starts with commitment. That commitment to yourself to be the best version of you. And when you do that, the world will open up like a flower that's just blossoming, or a pearl that's waiting to be discovered in the middle of the deepest blue sea. So, guys, make that commitment. Do what needs to be done. Go through this journey following the process. Stop trying to make shortcuts. Stop trying to figure out different ways that you can do it better. Don't reinvent a wheel that is already moving along smoothly. Okay? So, guys, thank you so much for inviting me into your home, living room, kitchen, wherever you find comfort to watch my video. Be committed to the process and start winning. As you all know, in the last couple of years, I've been saying this is your season, a season of abundance that you have a birthright to. Understand me? It's just up to you to step in and make that commitment. Guys, have a great one. Speak to you later. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. And if you would love to leave a comment, I'd welcome it. Have a great day, and I will speak to you soon. Bye for now.